I decided to vlog today because I have a lot of things to do. And I just kind of want to create a lifestyle channel. I want to engage and have more of a lifestyle brand. Like, not even really focusing on the brand part, just like doing stuff that I care about. And I kind of care about creating stuff or just having a good time. Like, creating a video, creating a visual for somebody else to enjoy gives me joy. So I am trying to tap into that. So today I decided to vlog because I got a few things on my plate today. I have a birthday brunch to attend. I'm running some errands right now before that gets done. And I'm going on a date. So here we are at Target. And I said I was not going to buy something to wear to this brunch, but I really might go to the mall because I'm kind of in the same area. You know, like when you are running errands and you try to run those errands like all in the same circle, so you go to the area that has everything. This is not even the Target that I really like to go to. I'm renting right now actually at this point, but anyways, it's in an area where everything I need is here. So we're gonna go into Target, we're gonna go into Beauty Depot, we might go to the mall. We're probably gonna go to the mall. I really don't have time for this, but okay, I'm out of dough. So I wasn't supposed to be doing this, but I just ran across this really cute skirt in Target, and I'm getting it. I'm getting it. It looks cute, and it's. I also picked up this dress. It's a bit much for me. This is a little bit more digestible. I can wear it with a white shirt and white sandals, and call it a day. So, but not with this white shirt. I'm gonna wear it with like a, with a, what's it called? A bodysuit kind of thing. That's what I'm gonna wear it with. So yeah, really happy with this. This is so cute. I'm really pushing it, and I know I'm really pushing it, but I'm about to stop at this hair store to get some lashes because I'm gonna show y'all how I put my lashes on to make them look like minky. Honestly, minks don't work for me. Individual minks do not work for me. I'm completely aware of it. And I've stopped trying to get them like a long time ago. What does work for me is putting my lashes on the way that I put them on. And I'll show y'all once I get back to the house and I start getting ready because I don't got that much time. I'm gonna hurry up and do it. And I'm gonna show y'all. Because it's raining outside, I probably will not get into like a whole face for real. Oh, hold up. They got a radio station out here. Wait, is this the grand opening? I don't have time for this. I need to be checked out fast. Hold on, let me just show y'all. First of all, this is the club. Parking lot full, balloons outside, the radio station here. It's the store that's been around, but this is a new location for it, and people are here, baby. So I ended up leaving a few minutes after waiting in line because I am just going to go ahead and get ready and run out the door. Like I said, I'm not doing a full face of makeup. I'm just going to put on some lashes. I'm going to show you how I do it. So this is the brand, this Ardell Naked Lashes. It's number 421. I'm going to be putting them underneath. What's going to happen right now is I am going to take this applicator and line the bottom, like underneath my lash line, because I'm going to do that and let it get tacky. I'm going to line the lash and let it get tacky, and it's going to work wonders. Okay. See, I just kind of like put a thin line underneath, and then also to prep my lashes, I do cut them. I cut a little bit off, and then I line it, and I don't put it right on my eye right away. I just, am I tripping? So I don't put it on my lash line right away. I do let it get tacky, so I'm gonna sit this one down and work on the other one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna line my other eye and then line the lash. Well, cut it and then line it. Same process. And when you're cutting the lash, you don't want to cut like the blades are cutting from here from where the lasher is, you want to cut from where the band is. So you want to turn it around and snip this way. That way you aren't like messing up any hairs that could possibly be saved, or you know, nothing like that. I be having to make sure that when I'm in a rush, I have to make sure my hair doesn't like sweep over the counter and like pick up a lash, because it happens and it frustrates me so bad. So I've learned from I've had plenty of experience of sweeping my lashes off the counter and just being upset. And voila. These are not the most dramatic of lashes, but they will get the job done for the day. That's actually why I went to the hair store, because I wanted to get a more dramatic lash, but it's cool, it's fine. Please note that I did not say that this was easy. It is a life hack for sure, but it takes a lot of practice and a lot of time and a lot of patience. It is not easy. So if you are a girly who doesn't work well with individual like minks or, you know, anything like that, but you still want that effect without like, you know, a fat lash band sitting on top of your eye, this is your solution. I do also want to add, these are a lot of notes, so I really hope y'all taking notes. I do also want to add, you want to get those flexible bands. So you want to have a band that isn't super thick and it's kind of like you can see the individual like lash clusters on the band, if that makes sense. Because it's going to give you more flexibility so that when you are working with your eye and trying to place it in the right place, it'll go. There's a brand called Eye Envy. It's usually just in the hair stores, not necessarily in like the drugstores or whatever, but Eye Envy has some of the best lashes to do this with. Like, this is how they came out, and they literally go on so easy after you practice and done it a few times. When you line your eye and you line the lash, and then on the top, you don't see any like demarcation. You just see your lash and then an extension, just like Minx. So that's all for my lashes. I'm gonna throw some brow gel, fill my brows in just a little bit, concealer under my eyes, put my clothes on, and be out the door. This is what we came up with. I've never owned a skirt this color in my life. This is what we're doing. I'm taking my jean jacket because it is still raining. I got my gift in hand, purse, and yeah, this is how we're doing it. Ryan is bringing me to this candle spot. We're gonna make our own candles. We got to go inside now.
For you, fill me with so much joy. You give whatever it is I need. My love's here to stay, won't never leave. So bad.
Yeah. Stop smelling it like you're about to steal it. Which one am I gonna try first? Ooh, I like cedar. Hold on, let's see what the cedar talking about.
Favorite scents.
Smells cedar. You might like cedar. That's kind of like, it's almost like the sandalwood that you wear. Ooh, chai. I know I need chai. I need chai. Oh, maybe I don't need chai. Okay. I don't know.